TSDSU
stands with you.
Mae'r
Yma I chi.
We stand with you.
We take consent seriously.
Sexual consent means that you agree to participate in that activity.
Mae caniatâd yn weithredol.
Chi sy'n rheoli caniatâd eich hunain.
It's a dynamic process.
Consent is always yours.
Mae'n weithredol ac yn digwydd mwy nag unwaith.
The official definition by Rape Crisis Wales and England, a person consents if he or she agrees by choice and has the freedom and capacity to make that choice.
Consent is yours.
Mae'n gytun ac yn frwdfrydig.
It's a definite yes and free given.
Gofynnwch.
No means no. We all know the numbers.
A study conducted by NUS has found that more than 1/3 of female students and 12% of male students have reported coming in contact with unwelcome sexual activity at university.
You should feel safe from sexual harassment everywhere.
We're working with the university to make reporting easier, trackable and comfortable.
Allwch nawr adrodd digwyddiadau trwy undeb myfyrwyr prifysgol neu trwy y wefan.
We have a zero tolerance approach to sexual harassment on campus. But what does this mean?
Mae'n golygu fod gan myfyrwyr yr hawl I fod yn ddiogel.
It means zero.
Meddwl, zero.
It means zero.
Mae'n meddwl, zero.
It means zero.